how to switch between portfolios inside of Acorns. There are different types of automatic portfolios that are provided inside Acorns, such as aggressive, moderately aggressive. So if you want to switch between these portfolios, you can easily do it within a few steps. If you head over to the app of Acorns, from the homepage of the Acorns app, you need to head over to the section of Invest so that you can view all of your investments first of all. Once you're inside of the Invest section, you can see all of the investments that you have, whether they be stock ETFs or real estate ETFs. In order to change the portfolio type, you just need to tap on the Edit option, which is on the top right of the screen. Once you do that, you're going to see the Edit Portfolio option, and you're going to see the current portfolio type that you have, which is the first option. Now, in order to switch between them, you can just tap on this option and then choose a different type of portfolio if you want. Other than the risk portfolio, you can also choose the portfolio type by tapping on the portfolio type, which is the second option, and choosing from the two portfolio types that are currently available inside of Acorns. So that's the way that you switch between portfolios inside of Acorns. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.